Hi, and welcome on the English as a Beauty YouTube channel. This is the fourth video lesson of the video series on English verb tenses. In this video lesson, I'm going to talk about the correct usage of present perfect continuous tense. Present perfect continuous tense is used to 1. Describe actions continuing up to the present or up to this very moment. For example, why is your face so red? I have been running for 2 hours. Or, Jessica is very tired right now. She has been working all day long. Please note that present perfect simple tense is used to specify a particular number of times or things. For example, I have written 3 essays this week. Present perfect continuous tense, however, is used to emphasize the duration of an action. Compare the following 2 examples. I have worked for this company for 5 years. Here, in this sentence, there is no stress on duration. There is a stress on the fact that a person has worked for the company for this number of years. The following sentence. I have been working for this company for 5 years. In this sentence, we emphasize the duration of how long we have been working for the company. Present perfect continuous tense is normally used with such words as since, for, just, all day, all week, and others. So these are the main rules for using present perfect continuous tense. Please leave your comments and feedback below this video. I really appreciate your participation. Thanks for watching, and remember, English is a beauty.